Hello students, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talk about racial and ethnic inequality. In the last chapter, you have learned about class inequality. You have learned that in society, we have different classes of people. We have upper class people, we have middle class people, then we have lower class of people, right? And different classes of people have different amount of wealth, prestige and power. In this chapter particularly, we are going to talk about racial and ethnic inequality. In societies, we don't just have different classes of people, we also have different racial peoples, and also we have different ethnic people. If you look around the modern day societies, then you will find that modern societies are very diverse. In modern societies, we don't have just one group of people, we have multiple groups of people. These groups can be classified in terms of class, in terms of gender, in terms of race, ethnicity, and also by age. In the last chapter, we talked about different classes of people. In this chapter, we are going to divert our focus on different races and different ethnic groups of people and the type of inequality that they face from the society. So I want to give you the definition of society. First, I want to give you the definition of society. I hope all of you by now know the definition of society. A society is a group of people, right? A group of people, when they live in a specific geographical location, we call it a society. But in modern day societies, we see more than one group of people. We see people from different background, they live side by side. Modern day societies are diverse. Modern day societies are heterogeneous. That means different classes of people, they live side by side, and also people from different races, people from different ethnicities, they also now live side by side. Generally, in a society, we see a majority group and we see some minority groups. Majority groups are the dominant groups. They are more than half of the population, and minority groups are usually they are below half of the population. In societies, we see different minority groups of people. Minorities, we have different numerical minorities in our society. For example, doctors, they are a minority group. Teachers, they are also a minority group. Similarly, students, they are also a minority group. But in sociology, the definition of minority is different. Being a minority does not mean that you are less than the 50% of the population. It does not depend on the number. Rather, the definition of minority is the groups whose members have significantly less control or power than members of the dominant or majority group. So in sociology, The definition of minority does not depend on the number. Rather, the definition of minority depends on the control and power that the member of the dominant or majority group. Let me repeat again. The definition is groups whose members have significantly less control or power. Groups who have significantly less control or power, they are the minority groups according to sociology. Now we're going to see what type of racial and ethnic minorities that we have in Bangladeshi society and also in some other societies. Let's first talk about Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a society, right? In Bangladesh, we have different groups of people. They live in a specific geographical location. We have different ethnic groups. Bengalis are also a ethnic group, but they are the majority. Besides Bengalis, we have other ethnic minorities. We have different ethnic minorities. For example, Biharis, for example, Chakmas, Garos, then Tripura, Marma, Hajong. They are the ethnic minorities of Bangladesh. Bengalis are the majority in Bangladesh and they are the ethnic minorities of Bangladesh. Now let's talk about some other society. For example, America. In America, white Americans are the majority. On the other hand, black African Americans are a minority group. They are a racial minority group. South Asians, they are a ethnic minority. Asians, they are another ethnic minority group that they live in the American society. So you see that generally in a society we have a dominant group and we also have few minority groups. We have some ethnic minority groups. Sometimes we also have some racial minority groups. So let's talk about the characteristics of ethnic and racial minorities or minorities in general. What are the characteristics of or properties of minority groups that we see? There are 5 properties of minority groups. Number 1, minority groups, they receive unequal treatment from the society. Minority groups, racial minorities or ethnic minorities, they receive unequal treatment from the society. Unequal treatment leads to discrimination. Second property, minority groups, they have distinct cultural characteristics. Racial minorities or ethnic minorities, generally they have distinct cultural characteristics which is different from the majority group. Number 3, third property, involuntary membership. Being a ethnic minority or being a racial minority is an ascribed status. Being a ethnic minority or being a racial minority is an ascribed status. So the membership is voluntary. What is ascribed status? I hope you have learned what is ascribed status from the previous chapter. Now comes number 4. Solidarity. Minority groups, they have strong sense of solidarity among each other. Why? Because historically these minority groups, they have suffered discrimination from the majority group. That's why among each other they have strong sense of solidarity. Property number 5. Minority groups, they generally marry within their own group. Why? Because the majority, they don't want to marry someone from the minority group. That's why minority groups, they only marry within each other. So these 5 are the properties of a minority group. So if you see these 5 characteristics, of a group, then you can determine that they are a minority group. So by these properties, if we analyze these properties, then we will see that in Bangladesh they are the minority groups, they are the ethnic minorities, right? Manipuri, Tripura, Chakma, Biharis, they are ethnic minorities of Bangladesh. In America, Black African Americans, South Asians, then Asians, Hispanics, they are the minorities because they match with these 5 properties.